First, open Royal. Select API binding on the homepage, and then choose the corresponding exchange. At least go to the corresponding exchange to obtain the API key to fill in. Open the Binance official website and log in and select Avatar. Click Personal Account, and then drop down the page to find the API Management module. After filling in the remark name, click Create. Finally, carry out safety certification. Finally, return to the Royal Q app to fill in the API key to complete the binding.